Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my recipe for this delicious mango curry. Now, I'm not going to be doing a traditional Trini style mango curry because I know mango curry is usually made in Trinidad. In Guyana, they actually make a version of mango curry with our usual curry preparation. So that's what I'm going to be sharing today. In a heavy bottom pot, we are going to start off with a good amount of vegetable or canola oil. You can use any other type of light tasting oil that you prefer. And once your oil heats up just a little bit, you're going to go in with some sliced onions and some chopped scallions. And you're going to allow them to fry up or saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are softened. And after about 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to see that the onions and scallions soften up a little bit and get a little bit of a golden brown color. At this point, we're going to go in with my curry paste. So in the bowl here, we have some curry powder mixed with some regular garam masala as well as some amchar masala. As usual, all of my ingredients and measurements will be down in the description box below, so you do not have to worry about putting this dish together. Everything will be right there for your ease and convenience. And once you add in that curry paste mixture, you're immediately going to go in with some ground garlic and hot pepper. And once you add these ingredients in, you're going to allow them to fry up or chunky with all of that oil until the oil begins to separate from the spice mixture again and it starts to get a little green. After about 3 minutes of this mixture cooking, you're going to see that it reduces down just a little bit. You see some of the oil beginning to separate. I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt, and I love doing that at this point, so this way it can start to build up the flavors of the dish and give the curry a really nice full-bodied flavor. And at this point, I am also going to go in with a little bit of brown sugar. Now in today's recipe, I'm making mango curry. I'm not looking for a very sweet item. I'm not looking for like the Trini style mango talcari here. I want to make an actual mango curry. So I'm not going to make it too sweet. So I'm going in just a little bit of sugar just to offset the flavor of the mango. And I'm just going to saute this mixture for about 2 more minutes so this way the sugar can caramelize a bit. After you added in the sugar and you stir it for about 2 more minutes, you're going to see that the mixture starts to get a little drier and you're going to see it starts to caramelize a little more. So at this point, we are going in with some chopped green mango. Now, for ease, we use frozen chopped green mango, but if you were using the fresh green mango, you would need to go ahead and chop it and scrape out that inner membrane on the inside. And if you wanted to peel it, feel free to do so. We left the skin on, however. And once you add that mango in with all of the spices, you really want to just stir it up and allow that mango to bunjay or sear with all of the spices. That'll take about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can go in with some water. And I believe it is imperative to allow those mangoes, or whenever you're making any type of curry, whether it be a meat or a vegetarian curry, to really allow the ingredients to bunjay with all of the spices or sear with all of the spices, because I find that it really soaks up all of the flavors really, really well. So after it bunjayed for like 5 minutes, I'm going in with some water, and you want to only cover it about halfway because being that these were frozen, they're already softened. If you're using the fresh mango, you could pre-boil it, or if you didn't want to pre-boil it, you could just add in some more water at this stage for it to cook. It's been about 15 minutes at this point, and as you guys can see, the mangoes are just mashing slightly at the edges and they look nice and softened up. The gravy is thickened around the mangoes, and that is exactly what we are looking for. Again, you do not want to overcook this because if you do, what happens is the mangoes just tend to really mash up too much, and then you'll end up with somewhat of a mango achar or a mango chutney, not really a curry. So I'm just going to take it off the heat and I'm going to get it ready to serve. So this mango curry can be served with rice, it could be served with roti, dal puri, puri, whatever you really want to serve it with. And you can obviously serve it alongside meat curries or any other type of vegetarian curries or dishes. If you wanted to see how I put this mango curry as well as all of these other vegetarian dishes that you're seeing together, then you're going to want to check out my 7 curry video I posted about 2 weeks ago. I'll have it linked right down below in the description box. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video today, don't forget to give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Come on and join the Matthew's Guyanese Cooking family so we can create some more awesome recipes together. And I'll see you guys again very soon in my next video. And before I go, make sure you leave some comments down below and let me know what you guys would like me to cook up next. I'll see you guys again very soon.